If you are thinking about owning a Mercedes-Benz, you are probably drawn to the badge, the comfort, and the promise of German engineering. Mercedes has always represented success, refinement, and a certain feeling you do not get from ordinary cars. But here is the reality: most buyers only discover after ownership begins. Not every Mercedes-Benz is a smart long-term choice. Some models look incredible, but turn into financial nightmare. Others quietly deliver years of comfort, confidence, and satisfaction. That is why this video matters. Today we are breaking down the 3 worst and 4 best Mercedes-Benz models to own. This list is based on real-world ownership experiences, long-term reliability, maintenance costs, and how these cars age over time. If you are considering buying a used or even slightly older Mercedes, this breakdown could save you thousands and a lot of frustration. In our first list, we start with one of the most disappointing Mercedes SUVs ever built, the Mercedes-Benz ML350 from 2006 to 2011. On paper, this vehicle looks like a luxury dream: spacious interior, strong V6 engine, and the prestige of a Mercedes SUV. Unfortunately, real ownership tells a very different story. These models are known for constant electrical issues that seem to appear without warning. From malfunctioning sensors to failing control modules, problems pile up quickly. The suspension system, especially models equipped with air suspension, is another major headache. When it fails, repair costs can be shocking. Transmission problems, oil leaks, and cooling system failures are also common. What frustrates owners the most is how early these problems appear, sometimes well before the car reaches high mileage. Interior quality does not age well either, with peeling trim and failing electronics. This ML350 demands attention constantly, and owning one often feels like managing a problem rather than enjoying a luxury SUV. For many owners, the prestige fades quickly, replaced by repair bills and regret. Now, the second number is the Mercedes-Benz C230 compressor from 2003 to 2007, a car that has disappointed countless first-time Mercedes buyers. This model was meant to be an accessible entry into the brand, but that accessibility comes at a price later on. The supercharged engine adds complexity and stress to components that do not age well. Cooling system issues are common, and once overheating starts, repairs escalate quickly. Electrical problems are another frequent complaint, including window regulators, dashboard warnings, and failing sensors. The transmission is not immune either, often developing rough shifts or failures earlier than expected. Inside the cabin, the materials do not reflect traditional Mercedes quality. Buttons wear out, trim fades, and the interior feels tired long before it should. The worst part is that maintenance and repair costs remain high despite the car's lower market value. Owners often find themselves spending more on repairs than the car is worth. Instead of enjoying the Mercedes experience, many feel trapped in a cycle of fixing issues. This C230 teaches a harsh lesson about buying into the badge without researching the model. Now let's move to number 3, the Mercedes-Benz CLS 550 from 2007 to 2011. This is a car that perfectly represents the phrase beautiful but problematic. The CLS design was groundbreaking at the time, and even today it still turns heads. But beneath that elegant exterior lies a long list of reliability concerns. The V8 engine offers strong performance but is known for oil leaks, timing chain issues, and high repair costs. The air suspension system is another weak point, often failing and requiring expensive replacement. Electrical issues are common, from malfunctioning displays to unpredictable warning lights. The CLS 550 is packed with technology that was advanced for its era, but that complexity has not aged well. Owners often describe loving the way the car drives when everything works, but dreading ownership when problems appear. Maintenance costs add up quickly, and unexpected repairs are almost guaranteed over time. This car demands deep pockets and patience. While it delivers luxury and performance, it does so at the expense of reliability. For most buyers, the risk simply outweighs the reward. Now we move into the models that truly represent Mercedes at its best. Number 4 on our list is the Mercedes-Benz E-Class W212 from 2010 to 2016, a model widely respected for getting things right. This generation feels like Mercedes returned to its core values of solid engineering and long-term durability. The build quality is noticeably strong, and these cars age gracefully compared to many others. Engines are reliable, transmissions are smooth, and serious mechanical failures are relatively rare when maintenance is done properly. The interior strikes a perfect balance between luxury and simplicity. It feels premium without being overloaded with fragile technology. Owners often report driving these cars well past high mileage with confidence. Road comfort is excellent, and the car feels stable and secure at all speeds. Maintenance costs still reflect the luxury segment, but they feel reasonable and predictable. The W212 E-Class delivers what people expect when they buy a Mercedes: comfort, confidence, and long-term satisfaction. It is a car that feels trustworthy, which is not something you can say about every model wearing this badge. Now the fifth number is the Mercedes-Benz GLE 350 from 2016 to 2019, a modern SUV that finally found the right balance. This model represents a big improvement over older Mercedes SUVs. The V6 engine is smooth, refined, and known for better reliability than many earlier designs. The transmission works well, and major drivetrain issues are far less common. The interior feels well assembled, with materials that hold up over time. Technology is modern, but not excessive, which helps reduce long-term electrical problems. Owners often describe the GLE 350 as easy to live with, which is high praise for a luxury SUV. It handles daily driving, family duties, and long trips without creating constant anxiety. Maintenance is still part of the ownership experience, but it feels manageable rather than overwhelming. This is a Mercedes SUV that feels thoughtfully designed, not rushed. For buyers who want modern luxury without gambling on reliability, the GLE 350 stands out as a smart and balanced choice. Now let's talk about number 6, the Mercedes-Benz S-Class W221S550 from 2007 to 2013. At first glance, putting an older S-Class on a best ownership list may seem surprising, but this generation earned its reputation through build quality and presence. The S550 delivers a driving experience that still feels special today. The V8 engine is powerful yet durable when properly maintained. Yes, repairs can be expensive, but the difference here is consistency. These cars are built to a higher standard, and it shows in how they age. The ride quality is incredibly smooth, the cabin remains quiet, and the overall feel is refined even after many years. Owners who keep up with maintenance often report strong, long-term reliability. This is a car that rewards proper care. It does not feel disposable. It feels engineered to last. If you understand luxury ownership and accept the costs that come with it, the W221 S550 delivers a level of comfort and prestige that few cars can match. Finally, number 7 on our list is the Mercedes-Benz GLK 350 from 2009 to 2015, one of the most underrated Mercedes vehicles ever made. This compact SUV often gets overlooked, but it deserves serious recognition. The V6 engine in the GLK 350 is known for being reliable and well balanced. The overall design avoids unnecessary complexity, which plays a huge role in its durability. It does not rely heavily on air suspension or overly complicated electronics. That simplicity helps it age better than many other Mercedes models. Owners frequently report high mileage with relatively few serious issues. The interior may not feel flashy, but it is durable and practical. Everything feels solid and well put together. The GLK 350 delivers a genuine Mercedes experience without constant stress. It is comfortable, safe, and dependable. For buyers who want a Mercedes they can actually live with long term, this model is one of the smartest choices available. So there you have it, the 3 worst and 4 best Mercedes-Benz models to own. This brand is capable of producing incredible vehicles, but not every model delivers on the promise. Some are beautiful mistakes that drain your wallet and patience. Others quietly prove their worth year after year. Owning a Mercedes should feel rewarding, not exhausting. The key is choosing wisely and understanding what you are getting into. If you are shopping with long-term ownership in mind, the right Mercedes can be an amazing experience. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.